disappearance as part of a determined resolution to get liberty. As he conceived by flying to Lord Dunmore. Within months, Dunmore raised an army of about 300 enslaved and indentured laborers. This unit of African American soldiers became known as the Ethiopian Regiment and would clash with Patriot militia at the Battle of Great Bridge. Period accounts suggest that they were uniformed in an overshirt emblazoned with the motto, "Liberty to Slaves."
My name is Stephen Green. I am on the board of Halifax Underground Railroad, which is a nonprofit organization. The Halifax Underground Railroad Gateway to Freedom preserves stories of enslaved African American freedom seekers, promotes its history through storytelling, historical markers, tourism programs, educational events, and community engagement.
And that's when we had our official unveiling and the designation through the National Park Service. It was wonderful, and it seems like since that time we kind of floundered, and several of us have been kind of meeting and making plans, and we finally got our 501(c), and and we planned a couple of other little gatherings, but I thought, it's time for us to do something else. We gotta.
I would ask for a little bit of money, trying to see if I could buy my freedom. John Hunt wouldn't give me not one dime. So what did I do? On Sundays, Skoko would let me take his boat, and I'd go canoeing and fishing every Sunday. But that Sunday, I decided to leave. I got me a sack, put my cakes and pies in it, asked Skoko for his boat. Yeah, it was a dinner time. I cooked a good meal. I cooked a good one. They had fried chicken. They had collard greens. They had mashed potatoes and gravy. They had my homemade rolls. Then they had my pecan pie and my chocolate cake. They were just and I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna keep on keeping on, 'cause my Lord said I can't stop till I get to heaven. I'm gonna keep on keeping on, 'cause my Lord said I can't stop till I get to heaven. And I just kept on, and I kept on, and of course I sang songs real soft. Now, here comes this servant of Mr. Cotton. I'll beat at it. Now, where is you really from? I say I'm from heaven. I tell you something. You work for Mr. Cotton, and so do I. But I'm back here doing what he told me to do. Now you need to get on wherever you're supposed to go, because as far as I know, you're not supposed to be back here. So you need to stop asking me any kind of questions. She rolled her eyes, and she went on about her business. Now, Mr. Cotton needed a whole lot of help. And here was this handsome man, tall and dark, muscles just a budge. His name was Israel Johnson. He came and he spoke to me. He said, "Hi, Miss Cotton." He said, "I hear you make some good ale, and I'd like to help." And he helped us move some of them barrels, especially when we had to get them on them wagons. The next thing you know, Israel proposed to me. And I told Miss Mary Smith, I took care of that baby. Next thing you know, I was at the dock with food. And here comes John Hunt Jr. with a rifle right in my face. Freedom, oh freedom, freedom over me. And before I be your slave, I'll be buried in your grave and go home to my Lord and be free. Now, 16 years I was free. And here comes John Jr. talking about we're going to bring you back home now. Pat. Lord, freedom, oh freedom, freedom over me. And before I be your slave, I'll be buried in my grave and go home to my Lord and be free. Thank you.